this is Refrigerator Meg. Thought I'd give you a tour of my refrigerator lifestyle. Let's see what we've got in here. Woo! Check it out. Bam! Mini crate. Oh, and what's this? Strawberry yogurt. Is your girl make some kind of health nut? Yep. Turn it around. 35 grams of sugar.
That's a big amount.
Yeah, through the roof. Check it. What's this? A bacon drawer? Stacked. Rashers on rashers. Best part about these bad boys? Don't even have to cook them. Cook them right in your stomach.
Oh!
Wash it down with a little cream. Oh boy, that's going right through.